If you are a student in Mr. Lawrence's class, you have probably heard of using claves in music before. I, with my good friend...
You're still paying me, right?
We will give you a further understanding of what a clave is, the different types, the differences between different types, and what they are used for. The simple definition of a clave is a pair of hardwood sticks, or in this case, a stick and a counter because we lost the other stick. Anyways, that used to make a hollow sound when struck together. A 3-2 clave means that the first part of the clave will have 3 beats, as a 2-3 clave will have 2 beats in the first part. The first clave we will be talking about the clave we will be talking about, also the most common type of clave, is called son clave. This rhythm originated from Cuban musical style. This rhythm can be found in almost any music in the Cuban or modern culture. To son clave is called a rumba clave. It is an Afro-Cuban rhythm and can be in either 2-3 or 3-2, just like son clave. Talking about is the bossa nova clave. The bossa nova clave is a Brazilian clave that came from samba, but it places more emphasis on melody and less on percussion. Not only is it popular in salsa, samba, Latin, bossa nova, and Afro-Cuban music, but also sometimes in jazz or swing. Then there is the cascara clave. Cascara and rumba clave are similar, except cascara is definitely a little bit different in rhythm, but also cascara means shell in Spanish. So you will hear a shell being hit with a stick, and that is going to be the cascara. The guitar strum clave variation that Mr. Lawrence has given us. This is just a common clave that guitar players may play to and jam out on. Okay, now that I have gone over each one of the claves, I'm going to compare 3 of the claves. We're not going to compare with the guitar clave because you can't really compare it with son clave, and guitar clave will probably be heard with guitar, so that's how you know it'll be it. But anyways, as I was saying, we are going to be comparing son clave, rumba clave, and bossa nova clave. It's important to know the difference in order to clarify which one you're hearing in a song or rhythm or whatever. So we all know that son clave goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Of course, that is 3-2 son clave, and this is in the time signature of 4/4. Son clave can also be in time signature of 6/8, but right now we're just focusing on common time, right? Okay, so then rumba clave is a little different. as you can see, there is a half note right here, right, instead of a whole note. So that means that it's going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So the first part of it. But the second part, you can see, is the same. Okay, next we're going to be comparing Son Clave and Bossa Nova Clave, right? So they both start on 1, right? The first part is actually the same, so that's cool. And then the second part is what's different. So instead of going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So yeah, it's like a half beat later in the second measure. So
if you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And